As you can see, it's not as blue as it usually is. There's the boss. And that is because I went today, and you remember in the last video, I said it was $6.50. And I didn't get it because it was the end of the month, so I had to wait for the, the payment to come in. And yeah, look at the price. In the span of 1 week, it went from $6.50, Clipison, where I got this from. So it's a sell. I turned it off because it's no use running it. And the code says check sale overload. And there's a click every 30 seconds. And he said it's because there's a short and it's trying to detect the salt. And I also mentioned that the original installer did not ground the unit. The electrician for the 240 volt for my car lift, the scissor lift, mentioned that. And so, with taxes, $833 fucking dollars. He said it's because the price jump is because of this week's Trump's tariffs announcements. You fucking faggot. Every time this guy opens his mouth, everything here in Canada jumps prices. Pakis, Indians, and fucking Arabs and Muslims, they're all driving around with their Mercedes and BMWs. The rest of us, real Canadians, are fucking struggling. And you want to know how these fucking scumbags are living the high end? They get $4,300 a month as refugees. Yeah, fuck you. Spent all my life working. So yeah. So a decision has to be made. A working pool or eating, getting milk and juices, gas, bills, or a working pool. I don't make any money off YouTube because people keep leaving. Every couple of days I get over 900, and then after a couple of days I lose subscribers. So I don't know what you peckers are doing. Whatever. I gave up trying to be a YouTuber. I'm not gonna fucking do stupid thumbnails. I'm not gonna put gay music on. I'm not gonna fucking bow down to fucking Indians and Chinese. By the way, if you Google YouTube on Wikipedia, India is now the biggest country viewing. This alone is what killed my budget, because a bunch of parents couldn't take care of their kids. You got to put a fence. The other one's right there. $13,000. And then a month after we did this, the security minister said he put a pause on enforcing it. Yeah, so everyone else canceled their fences.